Are you tired of that dreaded check engine light popping up and having no idea what it means? Paying a mechanic just to read a code feels like throwing money away, doesn't it? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of OBD2 scanners. We've spent weeks testing, tinkering, and putting the top car diagnostic tools through their paces to find out which ones are truly the best. We'll count them down from number 5 all the way to our top pick for 2025, so you can stop guessing and start fixing. Stick around, because our number 1 choice might just surprise you. Number 5. Innova 5610. Now, when I first got my hands on this one, I was genuinely excited. Innova bills this as a pro-level scanner for the everyday user, and you can feel that ambition the moment you pick it up. It has a solid, rugged feel with a grippy silicone cover that feels like it could survive a drop or two in the garage, which, let's be honest, is bound to happen. The 3.4-inch color screen is bright, and it has these neat little red, yellow, and green LEDs that give you a quick at-a-glance idea of your car's health, which is a nice touch for pre-inspection checks. Feature-wise, the 5610 is packed. I mean, it goes way beyond just reading and clearing your basic check engine light codes. It offers bidirectional controls, which means you can actually send commands to your car's systems to test their function. This is something you usually only find in much more expensive, professional-grade tools. I was able to check my brake pad life, look at live data streams from the engine and transmission, and even access some manufacturer-specific codes that cheaper scanners would miss. The connection to their Repair Solutions 2 app via Bluetooth is also a huge plus, bringing diagnostics, scheduled maintenance info, and even potential repair solutions right to your phone. When I plugged it into my 2023 Subaru, it connected instantly and started pulling a ton of live data: engine speed, coolant temp, you name it. The graphical data display is particularly useful for spotting intermittent issues that a simple numerical readout might not catch. 4. FOXWELL NT301. After the complexity and high price of the Innova, the NT301 feels like a breath of fresh air. This scanner is all about simplicity and affordability, and it absolutely nails that mission. Right out of the box, you can tell this is a no-fuss tool designed for one main purpose: to figure out why your check engine light is on. It's lightweight, fits comfortably in your hand, and the buttons have a satisfying click to them. The 2.8-inch color screen, while not huge, is bright and easy to read, which is all you really need. The main strength of the NT301 is its user-friendliness. I mean, you could hand this to someone who's never even opened their hood before, and they'd probably be able to pull a diagnostic code in a matter of minutes. It's that intuitive. You plug it in, it powers on, and the menu guides you right where you need to go. It reads and clears codes, shows you IM readiness status to see if you'll pass an emissions test, and even offers a live data stream. This live data is a feature that really sets it apart from the ultra-cheap, code reader-only devices. You can watch your engine RPMs, coolant temperature, and O2 sensor readings in real time, which is invaluable for diagnosing problems that don't pop up consistently. I tested it on a couple of different cars, a newer Ford and an older Honda, and it worked flawlessly on both. It's compatible with pretty much any car made since 1996, so you don't have to worry about whether it will work with your specific vehicle. 3. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro. This one is a bit different from the first two because it doesn't have a screen at all. Instead, it's a small Bluetooth dongle that you plug into your car's OBD2 port, and it syncs directly with an app on your smartphone. I have to say, the out-of-the-box experience with the BlueDriver is probably the smoothest of any scanner I've ever tested. You just plug in the sensor, download the free app, pair it with your phone, and you're ready to go. It's incredibly simple and elegant. The real magic of the BlueDriver isn't the hardware, it's the software. The app is exceptionally well designed, powerful, and packed with features that are genuinely helpful. Not only does it read your standard engine codes, but it can also dive into enhanced codes for systems like ABS, airbags, and transmission on many makes and models. But here's the killer feature. For every code it finds, it provides a detailed report with potential causes and, most importantly, a list of verified fixes, sourced from a massive database of millions of repairs. This is a game changer for DIYers. It doesn't just tell you the problem, it gives you a roadmap to the solution. I used it to diagnose an ABS light on a friend's Chevy, and it pinpointed the exact wheel speed sensor that had failed. But it didn't stop there. The app gave me the top reported fix for that specific code on that specific vehicle, which saved me a ton of time I would have otherwise spent scrolling through forums. 2. TOPDON Phoenix Lite 2. Okay, get ready, because at number 2, we are taking a massive leap in power and capability with the TOPDON Phoenix Lite 2. This isn't just a scanner, it's a full-blown diagnostic tablet. The moment you unbox this thing, you know it means business. You get a rugged, 8-inch Android tablet that feels like it's built for a professional shop environment. This tool blurs the line between a high-end DIY scanner and a full-fledged professional diagnostic system. And it does it with incredible style and performance. The feature list on the Phoenix Lite 2 is just staggering. We're talking OE-level diagnostics for over 200 vehicle makes, meaning you can access pretty much every computer module in the car, just like a dealership would. It has full bidirectional control, allowing you to activate components to test their functionality, which is essential for accurate troubleshooting. Need to perform a battery reset, bleed the ABS brakes, recalibrate a sensor, or reset the oil life light? The Phoenix Lite 2 has over 35 special service functions to handle almost any maintenance task you can think of. The diagnosis is wireless via a Bluetooth VCI, so you can walk around the car or be under the hood while still running tests on the tablet. I was blown away by the depth of information it provides. I ran a full system health report on a vehicle, and in under a minute, it scanned every single module and gave me a complete, color-coded report that I could save and even email to myself. Number 1. ANCEL BD310. Now you might be surprised that after the professional-grade tablet we just saw, our number 1 choice is this compact and affordable little device. But trust me, the BD310 earns this spot by being, without a doubt, the most versatile, user-friendly, and value-packed scanner on the market today. It brilliantly combines the best features of different types of scanners into one perfect package for the everyday car owner. What makes the BD310 so special is its unique 3-in-1 design. First, you can use it as a classic, corded handheld scanner. It has its own screen and buttons, so if you just want to grab it, plug it in, and get a code quickly without messing with your phone, you can. Second, it has Bluetooth, so you can connect it to their fantastic free app for a much richer experience with more data, diagnostic resources, and performance testing. And third, it even has a heads-up display, HUD mode, where you can mount it on your dash and have it project live data like your speed or RPM onto your windshield. It's a scanner, a Bluetooth diagnostic tool, and a performance monitor all in one. But the versatility doesn't stop with the hardware. The BD310 offers a complete suite of OBD2 diagnostics. It doesn't just read and clear check engine lights. It can run O2 sensor tests, check your EVAP system, and confirm IM readiness. One of the standout features is its comprehensive battery and performance testing suite. Final thought. So there you have it, our complete countdown of the best car diagnostic tools for 2025. From budget-friendly code readers to professional-grade tablets, the right tool for you really depends on your needs and how deep you want to dive into car repair. We hope this guide helped you cut through the noise and find the perfect scanner to put in your toolbox. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, do us a favor and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. And let us know in the comments which scanner you're using or which one you're thinking about getting. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy wrenching.